Hey guys! In my first video of the year, I'm excited to share a winter-themed paper quilling art project, which is perfectly suitable for beginners, but also for those of you who are more advanced in the paper quilling art. I've always loved snow ever since I was a child, but I have rarely made paper quilling art with snow or with a winter theme. So this was a project I was looking forward to even before beginning my work on it. How about you? Do you like snow? I think there's something very special about snow. Now, without any further ado, let's begin our work. I start by making the base of my card. I cut out a 13 by 18 centimeters base card out of blue cardstock paper. My blue paper is also a bit shiny. I don't know if you are able to notice that in the video. I think it's pretty cute. It gives an icy blue sky look to my winter themed card. I also made some snowy hills like you see here out of 300 GSM white paper. To stick the paper down, I used double-sided tape and a few dots of Uhu adhesive. This helps my base card to remain sturdy and not warp when I glue paper strips on top of it. Then I move on to making a border for my snowy hills, and I'm using a thicker paper strip, 5mm wide. I taper it at the end because this will give the card an overall smooth look with no rough edges. So my base card is now finished. It's time to start making paper quilling elements. I'm gonna begin with the trees. I'm using 3 lengths of paper strips because each tree will be formed out of 3 parts stacked on top of each other, as you will see soon. I didn't use any tools to make even elements for the tree. I'm just eyeing things. If you want your elements to be even, you can use the Quilling circle ruler. I don't know why, but I felt like I was struggling to make some of these tree elements when I was filming myself, and then when I made the other trees off camera, things were easier and funner. So here's my tree all finished. Yay! I managed to get it done. I decided to make a few trees of different sizes. I think the smaller ones are pretty cute. Now that the trees are done, it's time to stick them to the card. I'm not gonna use a lot of glue so that the card doesn't warp. Next, I'm gonna work on making some swirls to decorate the snowy hills. I start by using my paper quilling slotted tool to form a coil, but as you might have seen in other videos too, I like to use my fingers to form a rounder, prettier swirl. The last elements I'm making are the snowflakes. Before you say, Miriam, I'm not gonna be able to make snowflakes out of 1mm paper strips. That's too hard. Let me just say that you can use white embellishments to imitate the snowflakes. You don't have to make them out of 1mm quilling paper strips. Or you can paint them with the acrylic markers or gouache paint or anything else you want. Or you can even make them out of wider paper strips. You don't have to use 1mm paper strips like I did. But if you've seen other videos I have made over the past few years, you know that I enjoy working with 1mm wide paper strips. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really enjoyed working on snow-themed cards, and I hope this video whet your appetite to try something like this yourself. Let me know if you like snow too, and also let me know which of these cards you liked best. At first I made the bigger one with the green trees, but then I felt like I wanted to make one more just for fun because I was enjoying the winter theme. So this time around I decided to make icy blue trees with a darker sky in the background. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my first video of the year, and see you in my next one.